Hi guys, it's your boy Chizzy. I finally left the Big Brother house yesterday. Like you already know, I don't make the rules, bro, so I won't break them. Let me just quickly go through your comments while I'm staying in the house. This one said, Chizzy finally met his match in final. This one knows how to insult. No be you are stupid, you are mad. Silly guy hiding behind his rider role. Man, I don't make the rules. I'm just being myself. I'm playing the game I was asked to play. Another one says, Chizzy is another stupid guy in that house. Mbeke. You're entitled to your opinion, babe, but I'm not Mbeke. This one said, Chizzy normally a very stupid guy. Uses joke to say trash to you, Chichi. Nadeti Abi. It's just a joke. I don't mean I beg. This one says Chizzy is stupid. Bella does not want your wager food. She wants the basic food that's meant for everyone. Fair, but I'm just a rider. Every other person will do like me. This one said Chizzy has been on checks and Bella's case. Anytime they want to cook, he will be doing like it's his food stuff. Now that they have put him in his place, he should try other housemates. Stupid thing. I'm sorry, sweetheart, but I don't have anything to say. But thank you all for the love. I really appreciate it. Peace.